In where clause, we check whether each of the records meets the conditions or not. To customize the conditions, we make use of the Boolean operators, not and or. Similar to what we have learned in the programming classes, not operator reverses the true-false value. An operator and or operator allow us to check for multiple conditions. When we have multiple Boolean operators in the where clause, not is processed first, followed by and lastly or. Suppose we are working with the staff table, and we want to list the staff who meet two conditions. The first condition is that the staff comes from IT department or marketing department. The second condition is that the staff has salary over $30,000. The results will include the staff name, employment date, and salary. Suppose we execute the below select statement. Select as name, employment date, salary from staff, where DID equals to IT or DID equals to mark, and salary greater than 30,000. Will the select statement give us the correct results? Now let's trace the processing of the select statement. First, DBMS will process the from clause and check if staff table exists in the database. Second, DBMS will process the where clause. There are two Boolean operators in the where clause, an operator and or operator. DBMS will process an operator before or operator. When processing an operator, it checks whether the individual record meets both of the two conditions. DID is equal to mark and salary is greater than 30,000. Peter Lee with SID 001 meets both of these two conditions. When processing or operator, it checks whether the individual record meets at least one of the two conditions. DID is equal to IT or the record is Peter Lee's record. As a result, Peter Lee, Anna Lee, Tom Lee, and Samuel Lee's records are included in the results. After the processing of from clause and where clause, DBMS will process select clause. The select clause specifies that as name, employment dates, and salary are included in the results. Let's take a look at the results. Is the result correct? The result is not correct. Anna Lee and Tom Lee do not meet both of the conditions. There is something wrong in the select statement. Now let's add a pair of parentheses in the where clause and see how DBMS will process the updated select statement. After processing the from clause, the DBMS will process the where clause. When processing the where clause, everything inside the pair of parentheses will be processed first. Inside a pair of parentheses, DBMS checks whether each of the records meets one of the two conditions. DID is equal to IT or DID is equal to mark. 4 records meet one of these two conditions. Peter Lee, Anna Lee, Tom Lee, and Samuel Lee. When processing the AND operator, it checks whether each of the records meets both of the two conditions. Salary is greater than 30,000 and the record is one of the 4 records. Peter Lee, Anna Lee, Tom Lee, and Samuel Lee. two records meet both of these two conditions, Peter Lee and Samuel Lai. These two records are included in the results. Eventually, DBMS processes select course and displays as name, employment state, and salary in the result.